Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make easy stir-fry noodles. First, let's get organized. You'll need your favorite noodles, a colorful mix of vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli, and a protein such as chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Wash and chop your veggies, then slice your protein into small, manageable pieces. This preparation makes the cooking process incredibly smooth and quick, ensuring a delicious meal in no time. Next, let's get cooking. Boil your noodles until they are perfectly al dente, then drain and set them aside. Now, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over a medium-high flame. Once hot, add your prepared vegetables. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining their vibrant color and a slight bite. This step builds the foundation of your flavorful stir-fry. Now let's add the star of the show. Push your tender crisp vegetables to one side of the pan. Add your sliced protein, cooking it until it's beautifully browned and cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. While that cooks, quickly whisk together a simple sauce with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, fresh ginger, and minced garlic. Pour this aromatic sauce over everything, ensuring every piece is coated in its deliciousness. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your perfectly cooked noodles directly into the pan with the savory vegetables and protein. Using tongs or a spatula, gently toss all the ingredients together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Ensure the noodles are thoroughly coated with the sauce and everything is heated through. Serve your incredible homemade stir-fry noodles immediately for a quick, satisfying, and incredibly tasty meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.